If your knees have been aching when you climb stairs, get up from a chair, or even just walk across the room, I want you to know something. That pain is not something you just have to live with. Knee arthritis after 60 is incredibly common. But what most people do not realize is that the right exercises, done gently and consistently, can actually reduce that pain. Not by ignoring it, by building the muscles around your knee that take the pressure off the joint. Today, I am showing you 3 gentle exercises that do exactly that. And number 1 is the one most people have never tried. But physical therapists use it because it directly targets the muscle that protects your knee more than any other. Stay for that one. Let's begin. Exercise number 3, chair squat. Stand directly in front of your chair, facing away from it. Feet hip-width apart. Now, slowly push your hips back and lower yourself down, just until you barely touch the seat. Then stand back up slowly. That is 1 rep, 8 to 10 times. If your knees feel any discomfort on the way down, just go halfway. Even a small range of motion counts here. Here is why this is on the list. The muscles around your knee, your quads and glutes, are what hold the joint in place. When those muscles get weak, your knee takes the full impact of every movement. The chair squat rebuilds exactly that support. The chair behind you is not just for safety. It removes the fear so your body goes low enough to actually build strength. Good. Now, exercise 2 is different. You are going to lie down for this one, and it targets the back of your leg, which most people completely forget about when they think about knee pain. Exercise number 2, bridge. Lie on your back on a firm surface, a yoga mat, a carpet, or even a firm bed. Bend both knees and place your feet flat. Arms relaxed at your sides. Take a breath in. As you breathe out, slowly lift your hips off the floor until your shoulders, hips, and knees form a straight line. Hold for 2 seconds. Then lower slowly. 8 to 10 repetitions. Your glutes and hamstrings connect to the back of your knee. When they are tight or weak, they pull on the joint constantly, which adds to the pain and stiffness you feel. The bridge strengthens and lengthens those muscles at the same time. It is one of the gentlest exercises you can do for your knees, and one of the most effective. I know getting on the floor can feel like a big ask. If it is not comfortable for you yet, that is okay. Stay with exercise 3 for now, and come back to this one when you are ready. One more. And exercise 1 is the one I really want you to try. It looks simple, but it is doing something none of the others can do. Exercise number 1. Quad over roll. For this one, you will need a small rolled towel or a firm pillow. Sit on the floor or on a firm bed with your legs straight out in front of you. Place the roll under your right knee so your knee is slightly elevated. Now simply tighten the muscle on top of your thigh, your quad, and press the back of your knee gently down toward the roll. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. 10 repetitions, then switch sides. And here is why this is number 1. The quadriceps muscle is the primary protector of your knee joint. Every step you take, every time you stand up or sit down, your quad is what keeps your knee stable and absorbs the impact so the joint does not have to. When this muscle gets weak, the joint wears faster and hurts more. The quad over roll trains your quad at the exact angle where most people with knee arthritis lose strength first. Physical therapists use this exercise in rehabilitation because nothing else targets this specific weakness as directly. It looks effortless. But after a few weeks of doing it consistently, you will feel the difference every time you walk down the stairs. You just completed all 3 exercises. Here is your quick recap. Exercise number 3, chair squat. Rebuild the support your knee needs. Exercise number 2, bridge. Release tension from behind the joint. Exercise number 1, quad over roll, the deepest knee protection exercise. Do these 3 times a week. Be patient with yourself. Knee arthritis does not change overnight, but with consistent gentle movement, many seniors notice gradual improvements after a few weeks of consistent practice. Before you go, I want to say this. I know knee pain can make you feel like your body is working against you, like movement itself has become the enemy. But movement done right is actually the best thing you can give your knees right now. You just proved you can do it. If today's exercises felt good, there is one more thing I would love you to do. Hit that like and subscribe button. Every single week, I share a new gentle routine made specifically for seniors over 60. Simple movements, no complicated equipment, and nothing that asks more from your body than it is ready to give. One click, and you will never miss one. It genuinely means a lot to me. Tell me in the comments, which of these three surprised you the most? I read every single one. I am Grace. Thank you so much for being here today. Take good care of those knees, and I will see you in the next one.